through various
Delhi Police Cyber Cell Joint Commissioner Prem Nath addressed a press conference regarding the toolkit case. A digital toolkit was created aimed at creating more disruption during the ongoing farmers' protest. The document was shared by activist Greta Thunberg on social media and later deleted. At the press conference, Commissioner Nath spoke about the course of action taken against creators of this toolkit document. The cops claimed that the creators aimed to tarnish the image of the country. Commissioner Prem Nath also revealed that a search warrant for Mumbai-based activist Nikita Jacob has been issued. Jacob has been identified as one of the toolkit's creator.
While monitoring the social media, we came across a Google document titled Toolkit on Twitter. Initial investigation of this toolkit document revealed that it was created by a pro-Khalistani group named Poetic Justice Foundation. All these facts, a case was registered by FIR number 49 by 2021 and the investigation was taken up by Cyber Unit of Delhi Police. During the investigation, many screenshots of the toolkit document available on open source were investigated. As soon the investigation was able to fetch enough information, a search warrant was obtained from the Honorable Court on 9th February 21 against one Nikita Jacob, one of the editors of the toolkit Google document.
Commissioner Nath stated that 2 laptops and an iPhone have been taken from Nikita Jacob's residence during the police search.
The team headed by the IO of the case reached Mumbai and conducted searches at her house on 11th February 21. After due intimation to the Mumbai police, and 2 laptops and 1 iPhone was found, and during the search, several incriminating information was retrieved. Keeping in mind that the person whose premises is being searched is a woman, and as per the court order, the search was carried out in the daytime, and the investigating team wound up the day's search and requested Ms. Nikita to make herself available at her house on the next morning.
Commissioner Prem Nath revealed that all the 3 creators are associated with a pro-Khalistani group.
The initial examination of Nikita revealed that she and her associate Shantanu and Disha had created the toolkit Google document. The email account created by Shantanu is the owner of this document and all others are its editor. A woman named Puneet, who is based in Canada, connected these people to the pro-Khalistani Poetic Justice Foundation and through them created the toolkit Google document titled Global Farmer Strike and Global Day of Action 26th January. On 11th January, Nikita and Shantanu, I repeat, on 11th January, Nikita and Shantanu attended a Zoom meeting organized by Poetic Justice Foundation in which the modalities of the Global Day of Action were worked out.
Police also got the information from 22-year-old Disha Ravi, who had recently been arrested for her involvement with the toolkit.
For Nikita and Shantanu, we have taken NVWs from the Honorable Court. In Bengaluru, the team examined Disha and was able to extract highly incriminating information from her phone. This information made it clear that Disha, along with her colleagues Shantanu and Nikita, created and sent a toolkit document to others.
Delhi police arrested Disha Ravi on February 12 in Bengaluru for her alleged involvement in the farmers' protest toolkit case. Ravi later appeared before a Delhi court.